Overview of holistic health. Understanding that every aspect of a person's life influences their health forms the foundation of holistic wellness. Achieving true well-being entails flourishing in many areas, not just the absence of illness. Holistic wellness seeks to promote balance and a higher quality of life by taking into account one's physical, mental, emotional, social, environmental, and spiritual health. Ancient healing techniques from civilizations such as Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, and indigenous knowledge systems are the foundation of holistic well-being. These traditions emphasize the pursuit of a well-rounded existence, balance within oneself, and harmony with nature. These days, holistic wellness combines these ideas with new scientific discoveries to promote health in a thorough, individualized way. 1. Physical well-being. Health spaces. Maintaining a robust, healthy body with appropriate diet, exercise, rest, and preventative healthcare is known as physical wellness. The goal is to maximize physical function in order to promote other aspects of well-being. A balanced diet that emphasizes foods high in nutrients from different food groups will guarantee that the body gets the vitamins, minerals, and energy it needs for everyday tasks. To enhance digestion and decrease overeating, engage in mindful eating by savoring meals and being aware of hunger cues. Natural and whole meals. Eat more whole grains, lean meats, healthy fats, and a range of vibrant fruits and veggies, and limit processed meals. Engage in regular movement. Exercise strengthens muscles, increases mental clarity, and improves cardiovascular health. A combination of aerobic, strength, and flexibility workouts should be your goal. Restorative practices, such as yoga, stretching, and mobility exercises, aim to promote flexibility and reduce the risk of injury. Consistency over intensity. The secret is to create a long-lasting workout regimen that works for your lifestyle.
Quality of sleep. Sleep to support immune system performance, mental clarity, and physical healing. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Sleep hygiene. Establish routines such as setting a regular bedtime, minimizing computer time before bed, and furnishing a cozy sleeping space. Care prevention. Frequent check UPS, preventive examinations, and routine health screenings aid in the early detection of possible problems. Self-care. Bodywork, acupuncture, and massage can reduce physical stress and encourage calm. 2. Emotional and mental health. Building resilience. Since mental and emotional well-being affects how we view, react to, and bounce back from life setbacks, it is crucial to holistic health. It entails nurturing pleasant emotions and strengthening mental fortitude. Mental wellness. Mindfulness techniques. Journaling, deep breathing, and mindfulness meditation can all help lower stress, increase attention, and foster emotional clarity. Cognitive health. Reading, solving puzzles, learning new skills, and other brain-stimulating activities promote cognitive wellness and lower the risk of mental decline. Stress management involves recognizing stressors and creating healthy coping mechanisms, such as time management, boundary setting, or asking friends and experts for help. Emotional well-being. Emotional awareness. By identifying and accepting emotions, one can save them from becoming too much to handle. Journaling and mindfulness are techniques that encourage introspection. Healthy expression. To enhance relationships and lessen misunderstandings, practice effective communication to constructively convey needs and feelings. Compassion and empathy. Developing compassion for both oneself and others promotes stronger bonds and lessens emotional strain. Techniques like loving-kindness meditation can cultivate these traits. 3. Social wellness. Establishing valuable relationships. Developing and preserving supportive connections with friends, family, and the larger community is the foundation of social well-being. Healthy social relationships can reduce stress and increase a sense of belonging, which is crucial for mental health. Developing connections. Prioritize quality over quantity. Pay more attention to deep connections than the quantity of social encounters. Active listening. Give others your whole attention during a conversation while demonstrating understanding and empathy without passing judgment. Keeping your distance in partnerships. Healthy boundaries provide respect for one another and safeguard emotional energy. Participation in the community. Volunteering. Serving the community gives us a sense of purpose and strengthens our bonds with others. Joining clubs or groups to meet like-minded individuals and create a support system. Take part in social activities like clubs, sports, or classes. System of social support. Supportive networks. Assemble a group of mentors, family members, or friends who can provide both practical and emotional assistance as required. Seeking assistance, getting help from a therapist or counselor to deal with difficult emotions or mental health issues is never a sign of weakness. For environmental well-being, balancing with the environment. Environmental wellness encourages the creation and maintenance of environments that promote well-being. This encompasses both the natural world and physical areas such as homes and workplaces. Establishing a healthy living environment, clutter-free environment. Maintain order in your living and working areas because clutter might make you feel more stressed and less focused. Air and light quality to support both physical and mental well-being. Make sure there is adequate ventilation and natural lighting. To enhance indoor air quality and bring nature within, think about introducing indoor plants. Sustainable lifestyle, sustainable decisions. Choose sustainable items, recycle, and use less plastic to lessen your influence on the environment. Relation to nature. Being outside in green areas improves physical health, elevates mood, and lowers stress. Even short walks in the outdoors can be rejuvenating. Awareness of the environment, mindful consumption. When we are aware of how our choices impact the environment, we promote sustainability and responsible consumption. Advocacy. Supporting environmental concerns can strengthen your sense of purpose and connection to the world around you. 5. Spiritual well-being. Discovering purpose and meaning, connecting with something greater than oneself, a component of spiritual wellness, can lead to a sense of fulfillment, tranquility, and purpose. It's a personal path that may have philosophical, religious, or introspective roots. Creating a personal philosophy. Consider your values. Determine the fundamental principles and ideals that influence your choices and behavior. Journaling or introspection can help you clarify your priorities. Goal finding. Describe a feeling of purpose that transcends monetary achievement. It could entail personal development, volunteer work, or artistic expression. Methods for developing your spirituality. Reflection and meditation. Frequent meditation can improve a person's sense of connectivity, lower stress levels, and boost self-awareness. Prayer and ritual. Religious activities, prayer or meaningful personal rituals provide comfort to many. Nature-based spirituality. Spending time in nature can provide a deep sense of gratitude, serenity, and earthly connection. Kindness and compassion. Acts of kindness. Being kind to oneself and others can promote togetherness and a positive outlook. Forgiveness and acceptance. Developing these qualities might help people feel less emotionally burdened and promote spiritual serenity. 6. Workplace well-being. Discovering contentment at work. Finding fulfillment in one's job or day-to-day work and striking a healthy work-life balance are the main goals of occupational well-being. Pursuing rewarding employment that fits with one's values and objectives is the focus of this dimension. Balance between work and life. Establishing boundaries. Having distinct boundaries between one's personal and professional lives helps avoid burnout and lower stress levels. Time management. Having excellent time management abilities can help you accomplish your professional objectives without compromising your personal time or well-being. Contentment at work. Purposeful work. Look for employment that reflects your ideals and feels meaningful. Contributing to something bigger than oneself is frequently the source of satisfaction. Skill development. To expand your skill set and create new employment prospects, pursue lifelong learning. A productive workplace. Supportive co-workers. A cooperative, upbeat workplace atmosphere can boost happiness and lower stress. A healthy workplace supports both mental and physical health by providing a comfortable workstation, adequate lighting, and ergonomic furniture. 7. Financial well-being. Establishing security and stability. Financial wellness is the process of effectively managing financial resources to achieve stability and security while lowering money-related stress. Saving and budgeting. Track spending. Keeping tabs on earnings and outlays enables you to pinpoint areas for savings and develop a sensible spending plan. Emergency fund. Setting aside a portion of one's income for emergencies acts as a safety net against unforeseen costs. Extended duration planning. Establish financial objectives, both short and long-term, such as saving for a home, retirement, or an education fund. Investing. Create money by making wise choices that fit your financial objectives and risk tolerance. Financial education. Acquiring a basic understanding of finance. People are better equipped to make wise judgments when they comprehend ideas like credit, loans, and investments. Seeking professional advice. Discussing complex financial goals with financial consultants can provide guidance and peace of mind. In summary, including holistic health. A lifetime journey. Holistic wellness promotes balance in all facets of life and personal development. It's an attitude that tries to foster well-being and appreciates connectivity. Thanks for watching and subscribe the channel. See you in next video.